Hi beautiful people, welcome back to today's tutorial, and what we're having for today is just this headwrap. I'll be showing you how you can style this in a simple steps. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is just get your material, and the first thing you're going to do is divide it into two equal parts, that's 50-50, and you make a pleat down and place it from the back of your head to the front. So when you take it from the back of your head to the front like this, so when you take it to the front like this, you're going to make a knot, just tie it. So after knotting it down like this, make it tight, okay? Then you're going to be going to the next step, and that is just pick that one and make a twist with one part of the excess at the front. So when you make a twist with it, you're going to take it round that circle at the front. Just focus and see what we're going to do, guys. Focus your eyes and see. If you like it, is what you can achieve. Lay your hands on it and try it, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment below. Don't forget. Thank you. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is, after rolling it round, the excess is going to be dipping there, and once we're done with that, we have the excess, the other parts, and we're going to pick the other part up, and you make pleat with it, fold it in, and use elastic band to wrap it. Yeah, so when you wrap it like this, when you wrap it up like this, so we're going to have excess, the excess we have, we're going to dip it in that hole at the center as well. So when we dip it into that hole at the center, we are going to use office pin to tack it down. So we use office pin to tack it down, and you go to the front and stretch it out. So you're going to dip it in and use your office pin to tack it down. So you come back to the front and stretch it out well, and you tack the both angle down with office pin. So I'm just stretching. When I'm done stretching, I'll use my office pin to tag both edges, guys. So if you have watched to this length and you haven't liked this video, click on the like button, share, and do follow for more headwrap tutorials. So you can rock it out like this if you wish, but I wish to pin the both angles down so it will give me that look I want. So all you need to do is just stay focused and watch the way it is done. Easy to do, guys, easy to do. So I'll be leaving now, and you just watch and see the finishing. You're gonna look at the back and look at the front, and we're going to meet in the next video. Stay cool and have a lovely weekend. Bye.